Today I got Fatima's Grill. Let's check them out. I'm going to kick things off with the steak and shrimp loaded fries. The loaded fries has green and red bell pepper, Baja sauce, steak and shrimp. Ooh. Let's check out this steak. Bell pepper, red pepper. I want to see if all these flavors go together. Player. Yeah. They get a nice amount of little scrimps. Well, not kind of not. Well, sort of. Okay, they got a game plan down, I guess. I ate two of them, so I can't really say nothing, but yeah. Yes. Nice flavor. The green and red bell pepper, the cheese, the Baja sauce, nice tender steak, delicious shrimp. Oh yeah. Steak fries is busting. I got a scrimp on there. I got a scrimp. The flavor from the green, red, orange bell peppers, the Baja sauce with the cheese sauce, top tier. But these shrimp is definitely shrimping. Ooh. This costs $17.99 and it's definitely enough for 2 people, maybe 3. I'm gonna rate the steak and shrimp loaded fries a 9 out of 10. Up next we have the hot Cheeto burger. Let's check it out. This burger is on a brioche bun. This burger has hot Cheetos, lettuce, tomatoes, and pickles. Definitely spicy and it's good. Oh yeah, the hot Cheetos with the nacho cheese sauce. So fire. The burger patties are not too thick and they're not too thin. Seasoned up just right. This burger costs $13.99. I'm going to rate the hot Cheeto burger a 9 out of 10. Up next we have the crunch wrap. Let's get into it. This crunch wrap was $14.99. This crunch wrap is served on a 14-inch tortilla shell with beans, guacamole, lettuce, tomato, mozzarella cheese, nacho cheese, and sour cream. The crunch wrap is straight fire. When you order the crunch wrap, they give you a side of this transmission fluid. Oh yeah. The consomme is very good. I'm going to rate the crunch wrap a 9.3 out of 10. This is just my opinion. Check Fatima's Grill out for yourself. Y'all stay blessed. I'm out.